Namaste, welcome to Gita's kitchen. Today we are making the day 7 of Navratri, the Prasadam for that, and that is going to be a Sundal. The difference is this will be a sweet Sundal, unlike the other savory Sundals. This is a sweet Sundal. For this, I have taken 1 cup of this Cowpeas or Lobia, the red variety, and I have soaked it overnight and kept, or you can soak it for about 6 hours. Apart from that, this is Jaggery powder. I got this readily available in the store, so I find this convenient to use. If you don't get Jaggery powder, you can buy Jaggery and melt it with a little water and add that also. This is a little bit of grated coconut, a few cashewnuts chopped, some cardamom powder and some ghee. So what we'll do, first step, in a pressure cooker, we'll keep this soaked lobia or cowpeas along with some fresh water to cook for 1 whistle. Now we have switched off the cooker. Let us open it and see. Drain out any excess water. And keep it aside. See, the grain should be separate, yet it should be cooked well. Next, heat some ghee in a pan. First, add the cashew nuts and fry them to a nice golden color. Cashews are fried. Remove them and keep it aside. The boiled Karamani or cowpeas or Lobia in Hindi. Toss it together. This is the Jaggery powder. I am adding it to this, to the Sundal. Finally, add the grated coconut, freshly grated coconut to it. Keep the flame low as you are doing all this. And then the cardamom powder for flavor. Just stir fry it for a minute or 2. And then you can remove it onto your serving dish. Finally, add the fried cashew nuts. Now your day 7 prasadam, sweet Lobia Sundal or sweet Karamani Sundal is ready to be offered to Devi as Naivedyam, and then we can all have it as prasadam. Do try out the recipe, share it with your family and friends, subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and come back to Gita's Kitchen for more recipes. Tap the bell icon for notification about my latest updates. Thank you.